This is beginner basics, biceps and triceps. We'll be doing 3 exercises each, 3 for bis, 3 for tris. We're gonna keep it super simple, seated. You can do this with or without weight, in the comfort of your own home, or anywhere you have time and space to do this. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off, no weight, sitting up, my best posture, feet are flat on the floor, spine is in neutral. So we're starting with a basic bicep curl. I'm gonna bring my elbows to my rib cage, hands are resting on my lap. I'm gonna make a fist and bring it up towards my shoulders. 10 times on each arm. So now what we're gonna do, same position, elbows are in at the rib cage. We're just gonna turn those palms down and we're gonna press down for a tricep push down. So tap those hands towards your lap. Now from here, we're just gonna turn the palms, got thumbs up, still in that fist, elbows are still in. We're going into a hammer curl. So alternating, same thing, now thumbs up towards the shoulders. Okay, now we're gonna lean forward and we're gonna kick the arm back behind us for a tricep kickback. Alternating arms again, straight behind. And we're coming back up. Now, elbows are in. We're opening our arms out wide and we're just gonna do a wide curl here. And then the last exercise we're gonna do is a tricep overhead press. So we wanna have our fists are kind of at our shoulders, our elbows are in, and then we're just gonna reach up and extend. 3. Keep those elbows in. So that's 10 reps with each exercise. We're gonna go back to the beginning, starting with our simple bicep curl and go through the whole sequence again. So now if you want to, if that was too easy and you want something, you can pick up a lightweight dumbbell, or these are 2-pound fitness balls, or you can grab something around your house, like I have seltzer cans, you can use a soup can, something carbonated would probably be not carbonated would probably be a better idea. Water bottles, anything that you have that you can just have a little grip to with maybe light to almost no weight, just to get used to the movements. So I'm gonna put these down I actually love these because they're nice and squishy. And we're back to our bicep curls for 10. That's 10. So we're coming back up here. We're going to turn our palms to face the other way and we're tapping down towards our lat. Elbows at the rib cage. It's 10. So now we're going to turn this way. Our thumbs are on top for a hammer curl. Now we're going to bring it, lean forward, and we're going to kick back behind again. Keep those elbows in at the rib cage, alternating. And bring it back up. Arms are opening wide out to the side. Wide curl. That's 10. Bring it up. Elbows are in tight and press overhead. Bring it down. Take a breath. Elbows in and back to bicep curls. Turn them around and press down. Thumbs up, hammer curl. Bring it forward and elbows in tight, kick back. Coming back up, arms out, wide curls. Remember to keep those elbows in tight to the rib cage. And bring it up, overhead press. There you go. 3 basic moves for biceps and triceps. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time.